Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm here with Rayan the Techwizard and we're going to be doing another unboxing. And today we're going to be unboxing one of the first Android Oreo Go Edition phones that have come to the Middle East. And surprise, surprise, it's another Nokia. And yeah, I know we've unboxed quite a lot of Nokia phones on this channel, but hats off to Nokia for actually, you know, stepping up their game and releasing things that are pure stock Android, or like the phone insists, Oreo Go Edition. That's pretty cool. I mean, we would have gotten another phone from another manufacturer had they actually launched any in the Middle East. But well, who knows? Maybe Nokia's initiative is going to cause other manufacturers from making more Android Oreo Go Edition phones. Who knows? So Ran, are you ready to unbox the phone?
Yes.
Alright. Right, now before we get on with the unboxing, maybe we should just talk about what's going on with this phone. Currently the phone's selling for around $85, but all over the Middle East you're getting an offer where you also cool. It comes with cases and it comes with a screen protector, which, you know, not a bad deal if you think about it for an $85 phone that's running pretty much stock Android. And I mean, nothing mind-blowing when it comes to specs, but you know, for somebody who's probably buying a new phone, or for a kid, or who knows, somebody who just wants an extra phone, maybe a phone for travel or whatever, it's not a bad deal. 85 bucks. Alright, so Ren, you can go ahead with the unboxing. You just have to pull that tab at the bottom. Yep, just pull out the phone. So we got it in the red variant, and it came with those other covers. And wow, it looks just like the old days, huh? Mm-hmm. When Nokia was reigning supreme. It's got a matte finish, I guess? Rubbery matte finish. And wow, that's a fingerprint magnet already. There is no level of Gorilla Glass protection, so you know, if you're gonna buy one, you probably want a case or a screen protector. What else comes in the box? Paperwork, I guess. Yay. More of that. Cool. Whoa, it actually came with headphones. That's unexpected for an $85 phone, but it's also the kinds that probably hurt your ears. Comes with USB, micro USB. Yep. And a basic charger. Definitely not a quick charger. And is there something else at the bottom? Oh, that's the battery. Removable battery. Yay. Just like the old Nokia. Pretty cool. So it's a really light phone, huh? I mean, obviously there's no battery inside, but it's really light. It feels like a toy, but yeah, it's pretty cute, I guess. I mean, we can't expect much from a $85 phone anyway. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just put the battery in. How do we open the case? Like that. Right, so you just pull the top. It comes out just like the good old days of Nokia. Let's put in the battery. There you go. Make sure the pins touch the top. So yeah, we might as well look at the express covers as well, huh? So you want to just take out the express covers from here. Plastic lid. Need some milk for that? Right, so you can just pull these out. There you go. So we have the red one that comes by default, a kind of sky blue one. So while we were waiting for the Nokia one to download apps and stuff, we thought we'd unbox this free case that came in the deal as well. Do you want to try opening it up?
Yes.
Oh, that was very easy. Okay. So what does it feel like? Is it like a rubber case, or?
Yeah, it's a rubber case.
It's wow, it's really basic. It's like just rubber and textures all kind of cheap feeling. I mean, it's for free, so what do you expect? But yeah, something. Okay, guys, so we've downloaded some applications and updates and stuff, and apparently there's still lots of updates left because we just updated the phone like 4 times. But we thought we'd download some apps and see how well it performs. So, Ryan, you wanna give one of the games a try just to see if they can even run? Oh, by the way, it's attached to a battery because the battery ran out while all the updates were going through. So, do you want to try one of the games?
Yeah.
Just to see if they can even work on the Android Go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's give it a try. We'll run Sonic, I guess. Let's just see if it works. How long it takes to run the game. That was actually much faster than I was expecting. It actually got into the... Oh, alright. I don't know.
Okay.
20. It's actually running on the system, so that's pretty cool. So the loading screen's been going on for like about 40 seconds, and you can hear the music stuttering every now and then. Well, just about what I'd expect from the platform. It's barely able to handle the game. Wow, that's a lot of frames dropping. Right, so Sonic Forces is really choking up the phone. So, alright, so we might as well just try out the camera, see if it's able to take any decent photo or not. So go ahead, Brent, take a shot or two. Oh, did it come out alright? Was it able to even focus? Well, that takes forever. Okay, let's just zoom in and show everybody. I mean, that's actually not bad. There's fur details and lighting's not bad at all. Oh yeah, because it's Android Go Oreo Edition, it uses Google Photos, the photo just in case. Alright, you wanna? Right, so we'll take a selfie, take a photo. That was fast enough. So that's scary, but it does a basic and decent job. I mean, the front camera is only like what, 2 megapixel? So you're not gonna expect like DSLR quality. So Ryan, would you give this a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Yeah? You think it's alright for 85 bucks? You think people would like this phone?
Yeah.
Yeah? It's cute for kids or something?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean for a kid's first phone, it's not bad. And plus it's Android Go Edition, so you know everything runs fine for its 1 gig of RAM and, you know, display, which is not even HD. It's not even 720p. It's like I don't know what to call it. VGA probably. So not bad.
The phone is nice, but it works fine, but it charges well, so it has a couple good camera lights and volume works, the button works. You can see that night, that blue light. So if you buy this phone, maybe you will love this phone for your kids stuff. So why not you use it for a camera then again, something? So why not you use it? So it's kind of good in the back. The buttons are covered. I think it's a nice one, and thumbs up.